Yeah, hi, Dennis here. Thought I'd show you something that I got from Amazon. Actually, it's about a week ago now, but I haven't even used it. But I want to show you what you get when your package arrives. And this is the size of the package. And of course, it came in a bigger box from Amazon. You know how Amazon does. So anyway, I'm going to show you what you get. So let's open this little guy up. And this is packaged pretty well. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to tip it without it falling out. Alright, so let's open this little guy up. So what you have here is the 5-inch. This is the smaller one of the two. And it is completely sealed. So, not hermetically, but it's sealed. Let's open this up. Oh, this is heavy. I thought this was going to be, it's plastic, but it's pretty heavy duty. So this looks, I thought that was, something's wrong here. But anyway, this is, this is pretty cool. I had one of these, oh my gosh, years and years ago, and have no idea what happened to it. And then I saw this for this ridiculous price, and you get 2 of them, and you get a tape measure, and you get a pencil sharpener, and you get 2 pencils. Okay, I can't get the other one because it's stuck. There it is right there. And I figured, well, what the heck? Why not? So this is looks like a smaller one. Here's your increments, inches, millimeters. On the back side too, inches, millimeters. It's black. I don't know if you can see that or not. Alright, so you get this tape measure. It's in inches and millimeters, or meters, millimeters, I don't know. Anyway, I already showed you the sharpener. Okay, not a big deal, but hey, it's a bonus here. It's a bonus. 2 more pencils there. Okay, here's the bad boy here. Let's open this little guy up. And this is going to work out just fine. Okay, yeah, there we go. There we go. So you just, gotta like that. So anyway, here, let me make it square. Alright, it has a ruler here. It has a ruler on the back side, looks like millimeters and inches for us domestic folks here. Anyway, this is what you get, and looking pretty good here. This is heavy duty. I think this is going to work out pretty good. So anyway, this is what you get when your package arrives, and I hope this helps. Alright, have a good day. Alright, bye.